Well, if you want to work at home and have the freedom pretty much to get up when you want, go to bed when you want, according to, what your family will allow you, of course. I mean, if you have some wives and kids, do you have wives? Are you polygamous? Or ladies, do you have like 4 or 5 husbands, like a reverse polygamist here in Utah? But, depending on your situation, of course, it's nice to work at home, or at least when you have time, let's say after work or put the kids to bed. Maybe you have a part-time job on the weekend because your full-time job just ain't cutting it. But I'm telling you straight up, with Save Club, you can, and I can't promise you this, but there is the potential of making absolute full-time wages, income. But you have to be an affiliate. You have to do the $60. You have to spend $19.97 a month because you have to be a member and an affiliate to earn money. Now, based on my experience, I'm at day 38 now. I entered the pre-launch phase of Save Club. So for about a month, people like myself and others had the opportunity just to go ahead and join, knowing that things are still being built. The website doesn't have millions of deals yet, but I went ahead and said, heck with it. I believe in this. A worldwide savings club. Okay, we're talking every nook and cranny, every city, China to Africa to the UK, here in America, Canada, Mexico, everywhere. The reason I bring it up is because every day I get an email from someone, or at least an inbox message on Facebook asking, hey, when are you guys going to be just full blown in my city, my state, my country? Well, we're only officially 6 days old. We kicked off June 1st, and today's June 6th of 2025 as I produce this video live. We have growing to do. We popped out of mama, put some Pampers on. We peed and pooped. We peeped. That's when you pee and poop at the same time. We're peeping and pooping, and we're barely even eating baby formula. It's all over. I mean, we don't even know how to eat yet. But we sure in the heck have a lot of billion-dollar companies with thousands and thousands and thousands of deals already for you guys to join and take part. If you want to just be a Save Club member for that $20 and save on things you're already buying. If you live in Fiji, it might be different. Of course, if you live in the Philippines. But yes, if you live in Florida, I'm sure we have probably over 100,000 deals available because this is an American-based company that is growing. Yes, Canada. Yes, Mexico. And we're going over every ocean that surrounds us. But over the next month, the next 3 months, 6 months, and by the next year, we're going to be in over 200 plus countries with millions of deals. Okay? Which should be able to beat Priceline and Orbitz. I say this because when we have 1 million or 2 people to be in our membership club, everyone's going to be chomping at the bit to have their business or service inside available. My friend's local tanning salon's already in, but then again, there's Walmart, there is Home Depot, there is businesses that are absolutely in the Fortune 100 and the Fortune 50, and I'm talking billion-dollar companies already doing business with us. And when you just log into Save Club and, okay, I want to fly to Vegas, for example, we're already beating the hotel deals of Orbitz and Priceline, and guys, we're only 6 days old. Now imagine when we're 3 to 6 to 9 to 1 year old, okay, and what I mean 3, 6, 9 is months, but I hope I'm alive in 9 years from now, that's for sure. I'll almost be 70 years old then, but I plan on being around for a good long time. That's why I like to do video and invest my time, which I can't get back, into promoting this opportunity. Now, I've been able to save $900 and something already with Save Club by buying a bunch of tires for many vehicles, a purple mattress, a couple car wash locations I go to, and of course, food. And most of my food is really bad. It's Burger King, Wendy's, of course, Subway. If Taco Bell, I enjoy fast food. I don't eat it every day, but if I'm driving by and I'm hungry, and if there's a bunch of tacos and cheese and hot sauce, and I love tacos. And if I'm going by Wendy's, that damn Frosty. But, what else? Home Depot. There's so many local here in Utah businesses already inside Safe Club. But granted, I know most people are thinking international because we're in countries already. We're already in China, the Philippines. My downline has all these different little names and flags that I don't even know what they are. I have to look them up on Google. I'm like, okay, that's Denmark. Right on. What, New Guinea? Or is it New England? What is that? Australia? I had no idea. I know people that live in Australia. I had no idea what their flag looks like. I know what Japan, Canada, here. I don't even know the Mexican flag. And I'm literally right above Mexico right now. And you can put up 10 flags that have all these different similar colors, and I can't even tell. But you get real smart when you have an international business about what the flags look like and the languages. It's awesome because all of our products, our website, it all converts to any language that you might speak, your native language. So if you know Spanish, maybe you're French, you're from France, yeah? Maybe you say oui. When I say oui, I gotta take a oui. And in France, I go, you gotta go take a yes. I'm all, yeah, I'm gonna oui all over myself. They're like, oh no. I'm like, oh yeah, oui. But isn't that awesome? You can do international business and just stick to your own language. Even on YouTube, you know, if you do the CC thing right below that says closed caption, it says CC. You know, even though I'm speaking English, that the closed caption will convert my language into your language. And a lot of people don't know that because I always get emails that say, yeah, but I don't really know English. Is there any way you can do all your videos in Spanish? I'm like, sí, that's all I know. Casa. I can say yes, house. I don't even know how to say yellow. I wear yellow every day. It's my favorite color. But don't worry about it. This is a worldwide thing, and you already know it. That's why you're watching my videos. And if you're just watching, thinking, how do I save? Well, you're going to log into saveclub.com, pay your $20 a month, and you're going to search like a maniac. Okay? And you're going to save. I just know it. Can you save more than $20 a month? I sure think so. I think I'm going to save about $150 to $200 month after month after month, because I know every month I'm not going to save like $900, because I only need tires now and then, a big mattress now and then, maybe a vacation somewhere where I fly, stay in a hotel. Gosh forbid I go to Disneyland. Holy cow, what's that, about $5 million a ticket now? But how I recruit people is joinsaveclub.org. Yep, it's an orgy. joinsaveclub.org. Go ahead and click that. That's the official way to get a nice video. You can meet our founder. He speaks for 6 minutes, if I remember right. And this is what the page looks like. Watch this little YouTube video. Fill out this information. Even if you don't want to join, you'll get more info. But fill this out, hit the orange button, and then open up your email. And you can join from the Save Club email or just get information every day. I'll send you an email up to 30 days. And if you want to unsubscribe, do it anytime. But if you're going to join, keep the emails. You learn a lot by reading those darn things, okay? And the company sends them out automatically. So if you don't know how to do emails and autoresponders, don't worry about it. This company does it for you. $60. You get this page you're looking at. You get this full-blown website. Here's the home page. This is where you click My Deals. Go ahead and put your zip code in right there, and you can see all the local deals and the national deals and international deals. You guys can figure this out. If you own your own business, log in, and then, of course, go to My Deals, but go to the bottom. Are you a merchant and want to work with us? Yeah, more businesses, the better. Click this Get Started and see if your business can be here. Like I said, my friend's local tanning salon is here. My friend's lawn mowing business is already inside the Save Club. So pretty cool. I like when small businesses are a part of this thing, not just billion-dollar companies. All right, training. Look at this. We have a training tab. When you click it, just watch this video once. It has this guy playing with his right hand doing something weird. But anyway, see that orange button? Click it, and it's going to open up a ton of folders with free pictures and videos you guys can use. They all promote Save Club. All you got to do is just put your link attached to the pictures or videos with TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, whatever you want to do. But yes, we realize that you're going to run out of ideas, but we don't. And we freshen it up all the time. It's not like, okay, one and done, and then come back in a year and it says same stale crap. We literally add new pictures and videos every single week. That's important. If you want to know right here what the pay plan is. I'm just going to give you the direct link. It's easy to remember. saveclub.com/pay plan. Okay, so if you go to this link, you can check it out. We get paid 5 ways. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Look at that. And then also at the bottom of this video, I have a brand new video produced by Save Club that explains the comp plan. It's way easier than trying to read this. I mean, look at that. Whenever you read a comp plan, it's so boring. It's I'm embarrassed to even, here's 3% of 1% and 4-star, and I sound like Bernie Sanders here, but yeah, the comp plan's awesome. If you sign up, I get $20 to $32. I get bonuses. I signed up for the year, so I get higher commissions. If you sign up by the month, that's okay, $19.97. But if you want to pay for the year in advance, you get elevated to VIP and you get bigger commissions. And you can read all about that. Just go through step 1. Well, I mean, payment number 2, 3, their generational match. I get a bonus on my whole group. That's awesome. And then here's the membership. If you join for the year, you get an extra 10, 5, and 3 on people that sign up right underneath you, first gen, second, and third. That's a lot of money. It really adds up if you can afford to just pay for the year in advance, be VIP. But you don't have to. Do whatever you can afford. That's how all these businesses should be, especially when you're trying to save money. But you want to make money too so you can spend, right? So this is one opportunity where you can literally help people save money but make money too. Now, I've made about $1,000 per week. Pretty exciting. Like I said, I've been, let's see, day 38 is today. So I've averaged about $1,000 a week. I've saved over 900. And then with my funnel system, this is for people already that have joined Save Club, or maybe you haven't. But if you're stuck in Save Club, you don't feel like you joined a team. You're just kind of out there. You don't know how to do pictures or videos, and you're just like, oh, crap, I don't know what to do. This is where you can join a team. 2 of them. We have 2 private Facebook group pages, and I want you to join both. But you got to go to saveclubfunnels.com. It's $25. See if you like it. I sure hope you do, because it's gotten me about 45 signups out of the almost 100 that I have right now. Okay, so like I said, if you have 0 experience, or even if you have a lot and you feel a little bit like I don't know what I'm doing, just relax. For $25, I'm going to put you with 2 big groups, and they are super successful. I would say 6 out of the top 10 in the world in Save Club belong to these groups. Okay, and they know that if they give you free content, fresh content, way more video than the company even allows, or not allows, I guess provides, that you're going to have a step up over other people that just join by themselves and they're kind of just out there a little bit drifting. All right, get on our cruise ship. There's plenty of room. There's no competition, plenty of money, plenty of signups. All right, but saveclubfunnels.com, $25, and if you don't like it, then don't pay $25 next month. But it's an exciting funnel. It's helped out a lot of people, okay? So anyway, join saveclub.org. Okay, you can see the link right there. Check it out. And then go to saveclubfunnels.com. Just watch that 20-minute video and you'll see why it's successful. And that's it, guys. So you can see both my links. This is how I've been able to shoot up to number 7 in the company. And like I said, I've signed up almost 100 people over the last 30 some odd days. I've signed up 14 people in the last 10 days. I just did a video about it about an hour ago. So anyway, you guys have fun. Take care. We're only on day number 6, 3 and 3. Boo, 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 boo. Pretty exciting. I want you to join though now. Get out the $79.97. $60 to be an affiliate. $19.97 comes to $79.97. And if you want to get that funnel too, take your time on it, but it's an extra $25. So $79.97, or could be a little over $105, and you got one badass business. And I'll help you everything I can, because if you make money, I can make more money too. All right, and I want you to do the same for your downline. Okay, guys, my 15 minutes of video is just about over here in 30 seconds. Please go to those 2 videos that I showed you on my screen. Oh, there they go. There they are, I mean. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do a lot of video about Save Club. I try to do way over 5 videos per day, but I got about 300 and some odd videos already produced. I'll do 1 to 2,000. As long as I'm making money, I'm here. I ain't going anywhere. And this is an exciting opportunity that I think you can definitely do, especially if you have 0 experience, especially when you get that funnel. Okay. All right, guys, have a good one. We'll see you next video.